Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we help you level up your gaming experience. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset your Clash of Clans accounts so you can start fresh or pass it to someone else. Whether you are ready for a new challenge or want to clear the slate, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Let's begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Tap onto the Clash of Clans. Now you have to tap onto the gear icon from the down right corner of your screen. Tap onto the Supercell ID, tap on the gear icon. Now if you are linked to the Supercell ID, sign out by tapping on connected and then log out. Tap log out. Now you have to close the application and go to the mobile settings. Tap on it, log out of your current Game Center account or switch to the different one. And now you have to restart your Clash of Clans where you see the option of start a new village. Follow the prompts and you are back to the square one. And there you have it. This is how you reset your Clash of Clans account in just a few simple steps.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.